Hi guys. So we are looking at um, IXL K-1. And IXL K-1, and you can see it right here. IXL K-1 is find the constant of proportionality from a table. So the other day we learned that a table has a left side of X and a right side of Y. And we learned the formula Y equals KX. The K is the constant of proportionality. So K is obviously who we're looking for. So when we're looking for K, we have to get K by itself. Remember, isolate the variable. Isolate the variable. So I'm going to erase just this part and leave the K equals, because we're going to use that a lot. So if I want to use K equals, I want K by itself. How do I get K by itself? Well, I isolate the variable. Who's with K? X. So I'm going to isolate the variable. Now, K is by himself, and we have K equals Y over X. Y over X. So, in this case, K equals Y 4 over 1. So, what is 4 divided by 1? K is equal to 4. Now, those that have the 1 right here, that makes it simple, because 1 is 4. So the constant of proportionality is we're going by 4. 1 is 4, 2 is 8, 4 is 16, 5 is 20. So my answer here would be 4. So I put 4 in there. Right? All right, let's look at, again, we're going to use the same formula. Y equals K4, Y equals KX, sorry. And then when we're trying to find K, we divide by X. So K equals Y divided by X. This time, you don't have it easy. It's not a 1. So you're going to put this in order. K is equal to 8 divided by 8. What is 8 divided by 8? 1. So my answer is 1. All right. This time, there is a 1 there. So, how much is 1? 3. Again, guys, make sure you're following the directions and you're using the correct letters. So we're looking for K, and K is equal to Y divided by X. In this case, Y is 3. X is 5. What's K equal to? This says write as a whole number or a decimal. So you're going to divide 3 by 5. And remember, we're past to put the big number in first. We're way past that. So let's not go with put the big number in first. The numerator divided by the denominator. 3 divided by 5 gets you 0.6 or 6/10. But remember, it says clearly right there. Now, in this case, you do not have to put the 0, or you do. You can put it. It's going to count it right either way. Okay? All right, here we go. Again, you have the 1 right there. So, and is this not count by 5? 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20. So you're having the same thing every time. So here we go. All right. Again, you're saying following K equals Y over X. K equals Y being 12 over 2. What is 12 divided by 2? Yep, 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is 42. 12 times 6 is 72. So 6 is the constant of proportionality. That's the number that keeps getting repeated. All right, again, using K equals Y divided by X. So we have K equals 55 divided by 5. K equals 11. All right. Now, further along in this on this site, it's going to ask you, is the table proportional? This one is. It's not asking you that question. But later on, if this is a table that says 1 and 25, 2 and 50, and 3 and 100, would this be proportional? Well, 1 is your unit rate. So 1 times 25 is 25. 2 times 25 is 50. 3 times 25 is not 100. So if this were the table that we're talking about, would you say, yes, that's a proportional table? No. Now, this one is, because 3 times 25 is 75, 4 times 25 is 100. But when you get into the higher numbers, past, I think it's probably past 75, they're going to start asking you 2 questions. 1, what's the constant of proportionality? What's the unit rate? What is K? And then they're going to ask you, is the table proportional? So you have to make a decision. Okay? I hope this helps. Hope you guys have a good day. I will see you later.